Okay, so I done some research right on the program on how to write a program that counts the number of words in a string, right? So, okay, I did some research, right? So this is the final thing. So all we need to do, right, is to open this window and let's start typing. So first of all, we write this first line of statement hash include IOStream, right? Then let me just type it. I hope most of you knows this. Then okay, I'm going to say return 0, and you see I've forgotten something, int main, okay, which state that this is our main program, int main, just like that. Now in our program, what? So we have to declare some things, right? Because we need a user to input a certain character or a certain string of words onto the keyboard, to the screen, right? So first of all, we have to say a character, and we are going to be using our let's name our variable name. Let's say our variable name which is going to store the string of statement. It should be, let's say, character string str, right? Then we are going to allocate a number of words, or the length of character which we need, the length of characters which we need. So we're going to say, okay, this one is an array, is a character of an array, so we're going to hold like 100 characters in this one, in this variable str. Then next, what we're going to do, right, as I write, we are going to say, okay, let me go to the program which I did code here. So we're going to ask the user for a certain string of words, right? So we're going to say out, okay, enter some words. Then we're going to put this. Then the program is going to capture the words which the user have entered. So what we do is we use what we call cin.getline. Why are we using this one? This one enables us to store unformatted characters or a string of words, because if we just use cin alone, it's going to store the first character of that word. Okay, so we're going to say cin str equaling the variable str, right? Then we're storing a length of 100 characters, a b c. Let's say my name, let's say name is a string, right? It have got 4 characters, N-A-M-E. So then we're going to do this. After that, so want to declare and initialize some things which we're going to be using. So we're going to say int count, and we assign it to 1. So we're going to be using this one, and I'm going to say int I, like that. Then in our program, right, now we're going to begin the for loop statement. So this is it, for, okay, for open bracket I is equals to what, 0, right? Then put a semicolon, I is less than or equal to 100 characters. Then next we're going to say, okay, no, 100, then I put a semicolon, then 100 to, let's say I plus, just like that. Then we are going to start our if statement. For this statement, for I is equals to 0, so we are reading every characters from 0 characters 0 up to 100. Yeah, if you have done arrays before, you would understand what I'm saying here. So now we are going to write our first if statement. Okay, if, okay, no, for this one, if, okay, if line, okay, now, okay, did you capture? Yes, we did capture some string from the user. Now I want to check the string, if the string contains something. So in order for us, okay, listen, in order for us to read, to find the number of words within a string, we have to identify the, first of all, characters and the space available in the string of statements. So first of all, we are going to, if string I, right, is, what did I say, is equal to, what to say, if it is equal to a space, an empty space, okay, a space, then we are going to do the following. If again line I, no, I mean string I plus 1 is also not equal to, what's the not equal to space, then we have to increment our count. Okay, this is the one. Yes, we have to increment our count function. Where is it? This is the count, right? We're going to increment our count function plus 1, just like that. So then we put a semicolon. Then after this whole stuff, we are going to put our cout here, which is going to print out and display the number of words which we want. Is going to display the number of words which the programmer found in the process. So number of words in the string. Okay, let me just say a number of words, just like that. Then I'm going to put a space here. Yeah, this, not forgetting the semicolon. Okay, so now what we have to do, right? Go where it says file, then enter file, say click on save. We're going to save our program and we're going to name it string, okay, count words. This is the number, count words. Then you save type as C++. Then we click on save. Wait a minute. Okay, after saving, now we have to compile and run our program. So it's going to check whether the program has some errors within it. So let's wait, and the program will going to tell us. Okay, enter some words. Okay, my name is Mbonisi. There is 0 words. Why? Okay, this is something which I remember. Okay, as you can see, our this if statement should be within the for loop, just like that. So let me just put this bracket. Let's put our code in there, and let's try to run it again. My name is Mbonisi. Still it haven't shown. Why? Because after saying cout, if you were looking, if you were checking, if you know how to program in C++, if you look at this part of the code, it says cout number of words, but it's not even showing the number of words. So what we're going to say is say count, because every number of words has been stored in count function. So we're going to display it. Now let's just compile and run it again. My name is Mbonisi. My name is Mbonisi has got what? 1 word. So there is an error somewhere in the program which we need to solve it, right? So now let's just go and look within. Okay, our int count is equals to 1, right? Int our I should be assigned to what? Let's say account. Okay, so after checking, running through the program, right, I've seen where I did an error. If you are good at programming in C++, you might have identified I just failed you, but with the program tutorial I have not been failed. So because I have identified the error, so alright, enter where it says count, I said count plus 1, of which it should increment on its own. It should increment on its own. So let me just compile and run the program again so that you can see how it goes. So I write this first word, my name is Mbonisi. Then as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the whole thing. My name is Mbonisi. These are 4 words. As you can see, our program runs successfully, but we have to check this out again. So let's rerun it, and we're going to insert many spaces. So let me put space here. My name, let me put space here is, let me put a lot of spaces here, Mbonisi, and let's run. Okay, Mbonisi, and let me put my surname here, and let's run it. As you can see, it successfully ignores all the spaces and reads the numbers available. it successfully what ignores the spaces and it reads the characters, the words after those spaces. As you can see, this is how you write your C++ programming, and you will what find this program in the description of this video. And if it's helpful for you, if this video was helpful for you and useful for you guys, please like the video and please subscribe and even comment and say whatever you want based on this video, because this one was kind of like hectic and I didn't even totally, yes, I did practice it, but now it seems like but finally we did manage to write our program. So before that I have to check this other function, format current file. Okay, it's okay. Let me just click and save. So guys, see you in the next video. I hope you have a good day, a good night, or a good morning to you all. Okay, cheers. Remember, subscribe because it will be helpful for this channel.